Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2018 Chevy Cruze and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. So when it comes to doing the installation, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And one thing you can do just to help with the tacking down process more faster is just by applying Tack Solution just on the edge of where we need to align the film, and also apply Tack Solution on the edge of the adhesive side of the film. So place the film and align it to this section first. Once you have it aligned around this section here of the headlight, start applying Tack Solution on top. That way we're able to squeegee it down with our squeegee and it doesn't get stuck. So make sure you hold it in position, grab your squeegee, and start tagging down the film. And make sure you remove any solution that's around this section here. That way we don't have any bubbles at the end of the installation. Once you make sure this section is secured, we can continue on aligning it and then stretching the film to that edge. So in order to stretch the film, just in case it did get dry around this area, just apply a little bit of Slip Solution, and that way it tacks down more faster. Apply Tack Solution on the edge, place the film, and stretch it until you reach to the edge. Hold it in place for a couple seconds, and then we're going to apply Tack Solution and then squeegee it with our squeegee to tack everything down. That way the film doesn't try to shift back to its original form. One thing you can't do in order to stretch the film to reach to the edge is by applying heat around this middle section here. That way we help loosen the film and we stretch it to reach to the edge, and then we'll tack it down. Okay, once you apply heat, spray Slip Solution on the back and Tack Solution on the edge. Place it down, make sure this area is dry. That way we have better grip and we're able to tack it down. And now once we finish tagging down this end, all we need to do now is focus around this area here. That way we help remove any fingers and just tack it down. And if we see any fingers anywhere else, tack them down as well by applying Tack Solution and heat. And then once you're done tagging down and removing all the fingers, the last thing to do is pulse heat the entire headlight. One thing you can do once you finish applying heat and Tack Solution on top to tack everything down faster and also remove any solution, wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and squeegee at an angle. That way we're able to bring down the fingers and also at the same time remove any solution that may be trapped underneath the film. So just make sure you take your time when you're doing this step, and the same steps that are done here, repeat it on the top. That way we remove the fingers. So the last thing to do once you finish installing the tint to the headlight is to pulse heat the entire film. So first we need to apply Tack Solution throughout the entire headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun to help tack down the film around the edges, and also we're helping the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel. That way we help remove any solution that may still be trapped around the edges and just help tack down the film in case it's still lifting. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2018 Chevy Cruze. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.